Hello everyone, you are watching PMN Online, and in this tutorial, we will learn how to set 50 EMA in TradingView. Setting up the 50 EMA, or Exponential Moving Average, in TradingView is essential for both new traders and those looking to refine their chart setups. This guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you create a clear and functional chart to aid your trading decisions. Let's dive right in. First, open up your TradingView chart. Once you're there, take a look at the toolbar along the top of the screen. You should spot an icon that represents indicators, usually shaped like a small graph or pie chart. You can click on this icon, or simply press the / key on your keyboard to bring up the Indicators menu. This menu is your gateway to a range of tools that can enhance your charting experience. In the search bar within the Indicators menu, type in Exponential Moving Average. You'll see a list of results pop up. The one you need is the built-in exponential moving average associated with price data. Click on it, and it will be added to your chart. At this point, you should see a new line across your chart. This is your moving average. But we're not finished yet. Next, look at the chart legend just below the chart symbol. Here, you'll find a reference to EMA with a number in parentheses. This number is the current setting for the moving average period, and we need to change it. Click on the small gear icon next to the EMA reference. This opens a configuration window where you can adjust the EMA settings. In the configuration window, go to the Inputs tab. You'll find an option labeled Length. Change this to 50. This adjustment sets the moving average period to 50, helping to filter out more noise and provide a smoother trend representation based on the last 50 periods of price data. Make sure the source is set to close, so each period's closing price is used in the calculation, which is typical for an EMA. Now, let's enhance the visual appeal of your EMA line. Head over to the Style tab in the same configuration window. Here, you can choose a color for the line that stands out against your chart's background or complements other lines you have. You can also adjust the line's thickness for better visibility. Once you're happy with these settings, click OK to apply your changes. Your 50 EMA is now set up and should be prominently displayed on your TradingView chart, ready to assist you in your trading analysis. As you become more familiar with how the EMA can complement your trading strategies, feel free to tweak these settings further. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to set 50 EMA in TradingView. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.